Hey everyone, check out the Pakunoda 14-piece outdoor cushion covers designed for patio furniture and sofas. These covers come in 3 sizes to fit most deep-seating outdoor cushions, including seat cushions and backrest pillows. Made from color-woven polyester fabric, they are splash-proof, fade-resistant, and incredibly soft for lasting comfort. Equipped with heavy-duty YKK zippers and non-slip latex dots, these covers stay securely in place without sliding around. The UV coating protects against sun damage, keeping your cushions vibrant and easy to clean. Choose from multiple colors to perfectly match your outdoor space and enjoy long-lasting durability. If you have any questions, their customer service team is available to help within 24 hours. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.